Hey guys, it's JetRex13, and today I am doing my first ever Let's Play on Minecraft. So, I really like Minecraft. I have a bit of worlds, and also I'm making a map for my cousin, and if you want to see him play that, I could. So yeah, I'm starting in a new world. Everything, I haven't done anything yet, like, this is all brand new, so... Of course, I'm going to start out by making some tools, tools. Let's make a crafting table. I think I should get an axe. Yeah, axe. Okay, got enough. I need to figure out what to click to build. Okay, I'm going to be right back, guys. Let me pause this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I figured out that I guess I need to make a crafting table first, so...
No, really? Just make a crafting table?
I thought that there was a place... So, I know that you always need a crafting table, but I didn't... Because usually there's something that will pop up on your screen without a crafting table, and you need a crafting table to make everything. But I'm going to find a nice spot to build my house. And if you want me to do, like, challenges, just leave those in the comment. So, crafting. Okay, wait, let me go to options. I need to do something. Options. Okay, I want that on normal. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Wait. Okay, I couldn't find the other way to craft, so I'm just gonna have to craft like
this. Not Xbox, you can only craft like that.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go break some wood. Okay, I'm gonna make a pillar to know where my house is. Well, know where I'm building my house. So, to build that there, I'm gonna go head over here. So I don't remember how to build an axe. Oh, actually, no, I do know how to build an axe. So, actually, I'm going to go build an axe first so I can chop down trees quicker. I don't really play survival on Minecraft that much. I'm more into creative, but you never know. I might do some creative as well. I need sticks, don't I? It's not that way. 4 sticks should be enough to make an axe. There. Good, I got an axe. Get an axe, okay. Okay. And guys, do you ever wonder why whenever you make doors, it always gives you more than you need? Weird. I'm probably going to go mining in the next episode. That seems like the best choice, so I'm going to get started on this. Okay, so I'm also going to make a sword, guys, because I need to go get food. Okay. Just gonna get this. Okay. Ooh, 28. So I have enough for a sword. That's good. Okay, grab that. Now, time to go. I'm probably gonna have to make a bridge over this. That might be a good idea. So. I'm gonna go get some more stuff, more materials. So yeah, this video can only be 15 minutes like usual. So, I think you get mutton from sheep or something? I don't know. But I know I'm gonna get something. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot you get wool. Yeah, it's mutton. You get mutton from sheep. Oh, this sheep seems he can escape. No. Okay. I think 6 mutton should be good. Okay, I got enough wool to make a bed. That's nice. So, I'm gonna go make a bed as well. I think I'm off to a good start, guys. I don't really play survival that much, but pretty good so far. Now I need to go get some cobblestone as well. Pretty sure it's... I forgot how you make a bed. Like this or something. Yeah. Oh, that gives you a pure white bed. I forgot they updated the game with different beds, so I'm gonna put that by right here. Okay. There should be some cobbles over here. Okay, now I need to make a pickaxe. I need to make a lot of stuff today. Okay. Okay, so put that there. Now, pickaxe, I'm pretty sure goes like this. Oh, I could get half slabs, but I don't know why I need that. Get sticks. Pickaxe. For not playing survival too much, I think I'm doing pretty good. Pickaxe. Let's go mining. And also, guys, I'll do the Sky Island challenges, everything like that, if you'd ever want me to. Should I kill these cows? Yeah, I think I am. It'd be kind of mean. Oh, I hear Play-Doh back. Man. Cows run faster than sheep, I guess. That's a lesson learned in Minecraft. What does it give you? Raw beef. Okay, that's good. I don't need sticks in my inventory. Oh, I got seeds. That's good. It's 9. 9. Anything? No? I need to find something to cook. I don't want to eat raw. Okay, here we go. This is good. I'm not going really far down, guys. Like I said, I don't have good armor or anything.
And also remind them we're doing Minecraft survival on Xbox Studio.
Yeah. Huh? We might... Tell what?
We're doing Let's Play together. We're on Minecraft Xbox One.
Oh yeah, we'll do Let's Plays on Xbox One as well.
We're going to start off on episode 1 and the starting of a new world and then work our way from there.
So we'll do, Xbox One is for us to play together. And...
Until my computer gets fixed.
Yeah, tell us. It gets fixed, so... Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, do this. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Yeah, okay, good, I got furnace. No, I'll place the furnace right there. Okay. Wait. Put that in there. Can you run a furnace with, dirt? I don't think you can.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna go find some coal. It's probably on a mountain, but I don't really feel like going on a mountain. I can go down here, see if there is. Let's see. I think that's compactor I found. I don't really want to go where. What can you... Oh, wait, you can run it off of sticks, can't you? Yeah. I'm gonna go make some sticks. I forgot, you can run it almost off of a lot of stuff. So. I got a few sticks. I think I have enough. I should. Okay, let's do this. Time to eat. Power it up with sticks and raw beef. That should keep it going. And there we go. I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to mine this down. Oh, wait, it's an axe, isn't it? And I'm probably going to do bedboards and everything like that for you guys. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot to make a door. Oh, that's cool. It gives you certain doors. Okay. I'm going to also make a chest after this, so I can supply all my stuff in there. Okay. 3 birch doors. That's cool that they give you different doors now. Okay. Is this done? Yeah. Steak. I'll replace this. I'll need that. Okay. Time to cook some mutton. Okay. It's becoming nighttime, so I'm gonna go to bed. And not much more that I can do in this video. Probably get started on my house, and then yeah, that'll be good. Okay, I'm gonna mine this since you already know what my house is gonna be made out of. I'm also gonna make a chest as soon as I figure out. Oh, wait, is it hard to make a chest? I don't think it should. No, I don't think it is. There, chest. That. And I think I'm going to have all my supplies, like, next to my bed. I feel like that would be kind of good. And then also, I'm going to gather up some sand, which should be good. Okay, put that in there. Okay. And I think after I get some of the other stuff done, I should be good. I think I'm gonna make a hoe soon. Okay. I know. So this video is almost up. I'm just gonna gather some sand to end it. Put that in there and get some glass. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So 13 sand, that should be good. Okay. Put that in. Oh, I forgot to cook the mutton, but it's okay. So, yeah, the video's almost over. So, yeah. I'm going to make a few more sticks so I can do this. Do that. I think 4 glass is good to start off with. And put that in there. Boom. Oh, wait. Okay. I think I'm only going to get 2 out of this, so. And I think that's a good place to stop. I got my bed, I got my chest. Speaking of that, I'm going to put that in there, and that in there. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.